What is up, guys? Welcome to Bawb Inc. food review. Today we're going to be reviewing the official Bawb Inc. lasagna. Now this lasagna, you can't just get anywhere. Alright, you can only get this in Washington. Alright, so this is the official Bawb Inc. lasagna. And today is Halloween. So not only are we
spooky,
but we're also lasagna. So let's take a bite. All right, so I'm gonna start with the pasta. Isn't bad, but it's inconsistent. In some spots, it's way too hard to consume. Almost inedible. But in some spots it's cooked perfectly, so. It's a Honda Civic. Okay, so the sauce is definitely good. Sauce is definitely good. The meat's cooked to perfection. I just have just the pasta, honestly. Nothing really stands out. Yeah, nothing stands out. It's a pretty average lasagna, I'd say. This is just a defective piece, probably, but I'd say it's not up to Goon Inc. standards. So it almost tastes like a pizza. But like, why would you just not eat a pizza at that point? All right, so I'll give the sauce an 8 out of 10 for sure. Pasta, I want to give it higher, but it's a 5. It's too inconsistent. Some of it's too hard. The sauce, the meat's good. Again, nothing really stands out, but it's not bad. I'm gonna have to give Bawb Inc. overall, I'll give it a 6.5 out of 10. I'd eat it again for sure, but you know, disappointed. Gotta say I'm disappointed. Overall, disappointed.